Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and I am standing in front of one beautiful Restomod 69 Camaro. She's got an LS1 under the hood out of a Corvette. Beautiful custom red interior, and you're gonna love taking a look at this one. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We'll put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna look at that LS1. We're gonna look at the custom interior. We're gonna look inside the trunk. We'll show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Camaro investment. Come on up, let's fire it up. Check this beauty out. It's got the RS front end on it, beautiful chrome on the front bumper, and this black paint is straight as an arrow. It looks like a big black mirror has been laid over this car. Everything's lined up nice and flush. Just an amazing job. And take a look at those wheels. That's like a black chrome, guys. That's just not true chrome. It's got a black shade to it. It's got four-wheel disc brakes. All the lines line up nice and flush, and wait till you see this interior. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? What a beautiful job on the door panels, the carpeting, the center console. The seats are amazing. Take a look at that back seat. This car is drop dead gorgeous inside and out, guys. And it's got an LS1 in it. Custom steering wheel there. It's got the staple shifter, great looking gauges. Just an amazing build on this Camaro. She's a 69, she's a Restomod, she's painted black, got red interior. Look inside the trunk here. Wrong key. Got choice 50-50 chance I get it wrong every time. Look at that, they even finished out the inside of the trunk. Just beautiful. Good looking paint here. Got all new latches. Look down the side of the car. Near flawless. It is straight as an arrow. Look at these reflections. I mean, it looks just like a mirror. It is amazing. You even see the cameraman. And at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we spend the time to check these cars out before we buy them. When we get them back here to the shop, we inspect them so we can let you know exactly what's going on with the car. So call Tom at 248-974-9513 and he'll answer any question you have about this car. All right, let's take our 69 Camaro with the LS1 for a ride. What a sweet one it is too, guys. Black 69 Camaro. She's got an LS1 up front, all customized interior, beautiful black paint job. Just an amazing build on this car. And I tell you what, it handles like it's on rails. It is a smooth machine here, guys. And we can ship it anywhere in the world. Just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Tom can tell you how easy it is to ship this car anywhere in the world. Also, if you need help with financing, no problem whatsoever. We can help you finance this. We've got 2 bankers we work with. About a 15-minute phone call to the banker, and this dream's in your drive. No problem whatsoever. It's just an amazing machine. She's driving awesome. She's looking awesome. Look at that, no hands on the wheel. I'm stopping, she's stopping nice and straight. Got a lot of traffic here today. Everybody's going home from work and everybody's wanting to check out this beautiful machine. Now look down here on the dash. This is a stock dash with aftermarket gauges in it. And these gauges all look like they belong here, man. It's great. Here's our AC controls right here. We're gonna click on the AC. It is putting out cold air and we got the windows down, guys. I tell you what a smooth setup. This custom steering wheel. It's got the stock staple shifter in it. Just amazing, guys. You know what? We're only 20 minutes from the airport here in Detroit, so if you want to come check this beauty out, hop on an airplane, get in your car. We love to have you come out and check out this beautiful car. Now, we're bringing in about 40 new cars every month, so make sure you keep a close eye on YouTube, Facebook, and our website. And if you like the video, please share it with your friends. Get around the corner, listen to that exhaust a little bit more. Now I'm just barely touching the accelerator on this dude. She is a beast. This thing wants to get up and go. Now we got a couple of Dreams right here getting ready to ship out to their new driveways. Now here's our shop. We're at 15100 Keel Street. Now we're gonna do something the other guys don't do. We're gonna put this beauty up on the rack so you can check out the rotisserie restoration. Then we're gonna pop the hood and take a look at that all aluminum LS1. All right, we're underneath this 69 Camaro now, and she is just as pretty underneath as she is on top. Brand new tank. Everything's painted up beautiful under here. Great looking cover on this 10 bolt, right around the 307 gear, and it is an open rear end. You can see it's got brand new shocks. Looks like all the brakes are brand new. Drilled and slotted rotors here. Does have disc out back. Brand new lines here. FlowMaster mufflers. Beautiful paint on the frame here. Looks like a new fuel line and new brake line running front to back. Floorboards are nice and clean. I'm sorry, you're gonna have to get underneath this car and keep these babies clean. I used to jack my car up, put it on jack stands, get under here with Windex and keep it nice and clean. Neighbors used to laugh at me all the time. We got brand new bushings here. Pinch welds look good. 4L60 trans, that's a 4-speed automatic, guys. It's hooked up to this LS1 up front. Now we've decided that this is a 98 LS1 out of a Camaro because this is a Camaro pan, and when we get to the top you'll see it's got a Camaro throttle body on it also. New shocks up front, drilled and slotted rotors up here. Big old disc brake calipers up front, new brake lines up here also. Everything's nice and straight, everything's nice and clean. Core support looks good. We've got a cross-flow aluminum radiator in it. All the bushings look good. Chin spoiler looks great. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. Just an amazing build on this car. I tell you what, you're gonna wanna put some mirrors underneath this car and show it off at every car show. Now let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here, great looking. We got this black chrome here. It looks great. Well, it's not really black. It's kind of got a black hue to it, but man, does it look sharp. American Racing wheels. Let's see if I can find a size on here somewhere. 235, 45, 18s. Again, everything up there in the wheel well is nice and clean. You see new bolts bolted in that inner fender, and that paint work right down to the bottom edge looks good. All the paint work on the body looks good. Bottom side of the rocker and that pinch weld are beautiful. Let's look at the rear. All right, out back here, we got more rubber where it meets the road. 265, 45, 18s in the back. Same good looking wheels. We've got disc brakes back here again. I already spoke about those. Paint work right down to the bottom edge here looks good, and the bottom edge of this rocker, beautiful. Let's get under the hood and take a look at that LS1. All right, under the hood of this beauty, here's that LS1 making all that horsepower. Now, the previous owner states that this was a Corvette 97 motor. Well, my guys here are telling me that the throttle body, the pan, and everything tells them that this was actually a Camaro motor. Only 20 horsepower different, and that horsepower was only probably lost with the different cold air intake and the exhaust manifolds on the Corvette. Well, this one has got the Doug's headers on it, so it's gained back that horsepower. It's already got a cold air intake setup on it. So I'm sure this baby's putting out that Corvette horsepower. And I tell you what, when you get in it and drive it, well, you've actually already seen me drive it. She's got all kinds of horsepower. She's an LS1, it's all aluminum, it's got air conditioning, it's in a drop dead gorgeous black 69 Camaro with custom interior. You're gonna love this car, guys. Give us a call at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.